Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the tech specs of ASUS Vivobook laptop. Model number of the laptop is X1605ZAC-MB541WS. This laptop is recommended for developers, creators, students, and business users. About the features, this laptop comes with 12th generation Intel CPU core family, 16-inch display, nano edge display panel, low blue light to reduce eye strains, flicker-free screen, image optimization for camera, fingerprint sensor, manual camera shutter for privacy. CPU is 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU. Name of the CPU is i5 12500H CPU. Base clock speed of the CPU is 2.5 GHz. We will be able to boost the clock speed to 4.5 GHz. CPU has 12 cores and 16 threads. 12 cores is of 4 performance cores and 8 efficient cores. CPU has 18 MB L3 cache. GPU is Intel integrated Intel Iris Xe graphic chipset. This laptop model comes with 16 GB DDR4 memory modules, 8 GB is soldered onboard memory and another 8 GB is installed in a memory slot. For storage, we get 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD drive. Display is 16-inch display, supports 1920 by 1200 resolution, anti-glare display panel, 16:10 aspect ratio, 86.7% screen to body ratio, nano edge design, 300 nits for brightness supported. Camera of the laptop is 720p HD camera with auto optimization, built-in array microphone, manual shutter for privacy, and ASUS AI noise cancellation. Audio is by Sonic Master, built-in speaker system, built-in microphone, ASUS Audio Boost enabled, Cortana voice recognition is supported. Network supported is Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1 version. Let us see the ports available on this laptop. On the left, there is one USB Type A port. On the right, there is one DC in port, one HDMI port, two USB Type A port, one USB Type C port, one 3.5 mm headphone earphone, and mic combo port. For input and keyboard, we get precision touchpad with multi-gesture support, fingerprint sensor, ASUS ErgoSense backlit chiclet keyboard. Battery is 3-cell 42 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. We can charge 60% in 50 minutes with ASUS battery fast charge. For power input, we get 65 watt AC power adapter, 19 volt DC will be the output to the laptop. This will plug to the DC input on the right side of the laptop. For security, we can set up BIOS password protection for user and administrator, TPM module, fingerprint sensor for Windows Allo authentication, manual camera shutter for privacy. Features are available. Windows 11 Home 64-bit is bundled along with MS Office Home and Student 2021. ASUS recommends Windows 11 Professional for business. Top cover of the laptop is plastic. Laptop is military grade standard certified. Weight of the laptop is 1.8 kilograms and 19.9 mm thin. Color of the laptop is transparent silver color. There is one DIMM slot which is installed with 8 GB memory module, replaced with 16 GB memory module. 16 GB and 8 GB onboard will be 24 GB maximum memory supported. Replace 512 GB M.2 SSD drive with 1 TB M.2 SSD drive. Warranty for this laptop is we get 1 year international warranty. What's in the box? In the box we get ASUS Vivobook 16-inch laptop, 65 watt AC adapter and user guide.